let's see if in 1 minute you can learn how to use the word enough in English. And no grammar terminology allowed. In English, enough means the necessary amount. Let's take an example sentence. I have enough money to travel. Means I have the necessary amount of money to travel. Woohoo! So where do we place enough in a sentence? Well, that depends. If you are talking about the necessary amount of something, for example, money or time or food or whatever, first use the word enough and then the thing you're talking about. For example, I have enough food. Thank you. Then for all the other scenarios, you're gonna change the order. If you're using a describing word like hot, cold, tall, small, then you're gonna use that word first and then enough. For example, the weather is hot enough to swim in the sea today. Same thing if you're using words like quickly, happily. You're gonna use first that word and then enough. For example, I spoke loudly enough in the meeting. And same thing if you're talking about actions. For example, run, jump, eat, sleep. Use that word first and then enough. For example, I slept enough last night. I'm very well rested. Then quick thing, last thing, what if you do not have the necessary amount? What if you need more? In that case, it's easy. Just make your sentence negative and you'll express that idea. So you'll say, I don't have enough money to travel. Sad, no holidays. Or I didn't sleep enough last night, meaning you're very tired today. Oh. That was over a minute. I need to get faster. I hope you're not tired after learning everything about enough. In any case, do you hate English grammar? Do you want to speak English? If it's yes and yes, then subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And if you liked this video, please give a like. Thank you so much and take care.